So welcome back to another episode of Real Talk. This episode I'm going to let you in on a little secret. Advertising is wheezing for life. Beep. Never mind, it might have just died. So the reason I say that is that I got some magazines in the mail this week and I started looking through them. And when I started looking through them, what I saw was content, ad, content, ad. So I often started counting pages. How much of this magazine is content? So the recent Hot Rod magazine I have is literally 47% advertising. The recent Muscle Mustang and Fast Forward magazine I have is 44%. Now I went through all the other ones I have of subscriptions and they are probably about the same. 30 to 50% advertising depending on the title. So I started wondering, has it always been that way and I just never noticed? So I went back to the stash, all of my archive stuff, and I went back about 10 years in magazines. So I literally went back and got 2 magazines from 2008, 2009, and what I found was that the November 08 issue of Hot Rod was 156 pages long, and it's 37% ads, compared to the July 2018, which is 108 pages and 47% advertising. So the old issue of Muscle Mustangs and Fast Forwards is 172 pages and it's 59% advertising, compared to 84 pages and 44% advertising. So it started making me wonder, is advertising really ruining everything? And it's hard to say if it is or not. But I can tell you that people are not looking at advertising anymore. They're not reading magazines. Subscription numbers are low. People, as soon as a commercial comes up for advertising on TV or anything else, they're going to surf the internet. So now it's not all doom and gloom for advertisers and businesses and that. Instead of just saying, well, that's just the way it is, it's pretty easy to come up with a solution. So here's what I suggest for you guys that are advertising or making decisions. Take the money you're putting into advertising and spread it out amongst creators. Now, no matter what business you're in, whether it's cars or sewing or food or anything else, you should right now hit up Google, look on the social media, and find content creators in your area or your niche. Take the budget you have for advertising and keep some where you're advertising now, take a portion of it, and split that out amongst creators. Now you may think you have no ideas of how to do that, but I tell you what, let the content creators be the experts and give them the decision and the ideas and let them run. So hopefully with that, you guys will understand that advertising is probably dying or is dead, but content creation is alive and well. So that's it from this time with Basin Motorsports LLC. See you next time.